Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. This time a watch from a micro brand called Vario, and they were kind enough to send me this watch for a review, and I will send it back after I wear it for a couple of weeks and test it out. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing and then I would do a full review, and I'll even try to make some shorts as well for like wrist shots and take some shots as well. Anyways, if you're new to this channel, I do a lot of unboxing, a lot of watch reviews, comparison, watch related stuff. And if you do like this kind of content, be sure to be subscribed. So, Vario is a micro brand based in Singapore where they make vintage inspired watches. And they have the three new lines I think that they have on their website. I link in the description below. Is the Empire Seasons True GMT 1918 Trench and 1918 Medic, which we have here, one of the models, and 1945 the D12, though the Dirty Dozen Feel watch. And they have also a lot of other watches and straps, and they have even the Versa that was, I think, last year released, and it was sold out, great success. And I was able actually to buy one for myself, which is still coming on the way, which we will also see the unboxing. So let's get down to the unboxing of the watch. And here we have the 1918 Medic with white dial and white lume. So it comes on this bunt leather strap. You know me, I'm not a big fan of bunt straps. I have one. I had actually one, I sold it because I wasn't wearing it, and every time I wore it, it made like an allergy reaction on my skin. So I prefer Nate or prefer something like this sailcloth. But let's see, let's get down to the watch. So the watch is a 1918 reimagined World War One medic watch. So basically you have an enamel dial, which looks very cool. You have sapphire crystal. You have 316L steel. Here you can see. Does this open or do I have to take it out? I have to take this out. So what you get also is a wire lugs, reinforced wire lugs, so they're really strong, and crown at the 430 position. You have a 40 millimeter diameter with 10 millimeter, or no, 12 millimeter thickness, which 2 millimeters of them is this double dome sapphire, which has inside refractive coating. And you have loomed hands, loomed indices as well. So the numerals are loomed, hands are loomed, 20 millimeters in lug width and lug to lug. And this time you can really measure the lug to lug because we can have the lug 48 millimeter lug to lug. So inside, as you can see, there is no caseback. There is, I think, a drawing of a soldier or engraving of a soldier, some flowers to represent war and peace, 1918. So this is the First World War, and Singapore, where Vario is based. Sapphire, because it's sapphire crystal, 10 atmos, so 100 meters water resistance, and automatic movement, which is the NH38A, which has 24 joules, runs on 21,600 vibrations. So it runs around 40 hours power reserve. So like I said, this leather, I will change it, and it has a screw down crown. So as you can see, hand winding, stop seconds, and all the other things, the grand pour 30 pulsations, I will explain it in the review video. Now I'll just see. As you can see, the lume is also adequate with a bit of flash of the, as they are filled. And I really like how it looks. I want to see how it looks on my wrist. maybe I'll take it out of the strap and come back to you. That's how the wire lug looks like. So basically the strap is held by a leather patch and then a screw. So you basically unscrew it from here. So I put it on a purlin strap, and as we can see, I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and I think it does. Oops. Does look nice, but I think maybe with another knit would be even looking much nicer because it will hug the wrist more. Anyways, I'll leave all that for the review video. So if you have any questions about this watch, about any other watch, please leave them in the comment section. And as always, this invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.